The goal of SWE is to promote an inclusive and encouraging environment for women engineers on campus, but it's open to anybody. We have a lot of study sessions, we have a lot of just fun get to know you events.
The focus is to kind of create a community for women in engineering to foster that kind of network so that we can meet people in our classes and in our other organizations, since women are the minority in engineering.
We make sure that we help focus on our own professional development as well as our personal development. And we do a lot with the community, making sure that we're working on developing the professional and personal skills of others.
Coming to campus, I immediately felt the need for having a community of people I could identify with. I remember talking to SWE at Festival and immediately felt a connection with the principles and the values that we stand for.
I've been a member for about 3 years now. I've met a lot of my best friends through SWE. We do a lot of team bonding activities, just social events, and a lot of charity and donation work as well.
One of the biggest events that we host is a charity 5K run. It was really cool to see all of the technology that our funds were going towards, and we get a lot of runners and a lot of people are just willing to come and support and help.
Professionally, SWE does the annual SWE TBP Career Fair. That definitely gave me a platform right from freshman year to talk to recruiters.
One of my favorite experiences with the Society Women Engineer is actually our alternative spring break.
We volunteered at a local high school there and did outreach. And then after we worked there, during the day we got to spend the rest of our time exploring Chicago and kind of meeting new people within the organization. So I definitely had a lot of fun through that experience.
The group of girls that I was with, we all had a really good time just connecting with these kids and also connecting with the high school chapter of Society of Women Engineers.
I think definitely the biggest things I've gained out of it are the people. It's really hard to find a community of people on such a big campus. They're genuinely some of the nicest, hardworking people that I've met during my time here. We have a huge network and a lot of different resources to make sure we are succeeding both academically and postgraduate.
For anyone who is interested in engineering, who's interested in stands to benefit a lot from SWE by just coming to our events, by helping us out, just seeing what we stand for.